You know, when I see eggplants, it reminds me of that beautiful smoky appetizer, baba ganoush. And the 4K is the best barbecue to smoke and roast these in. Place some olive oil into a dish, add some salt into the dish and rub all over with your hands. The zest will be added to the mashed eggplant at the end. Open the 4K, place the oiled eggplants, stems facing in, leaving room for 2 of the zested lemons. Salt. After 30 minutes, they should be hot and steaming, going nice and even, and that's what we want to see, a little bit of charring of that skin. It's crispy skins, flesh is absolutely soft, they can come out. They can join those to cool down. Remove the stem. Roughly chop the eggplant and place the eggplant into the bowl with the lemon zest from earlier. 2 tablespoons of tahini paste, 2 tablespoons of sesame oil and salt. There's the baba ganoush, has a lovely sort of burnt smoky lemon flavour, very savoury, and that is done.